This is a LEATHERMAN tools named Micra. Very small. I can't read it. Okay, let's take a look. First, it's very light and tiny tools. Let's open. This is scissors, not plier. This is scissors. Very sharp scissors. Very useful with spring. Okay. Next, this is maybe tongue. Catch something, tiny something. Yes. Next, this is a small bit driver. Small bit driver. And next, this is can opener. Maybe can opener. Very small too. Okay, that's all. Next, other side. First, this is knife. Very sharp. Be careful. So beautiful. Yeah. Shiny, yeah. Very beautiful. Okay. Next is this. Drive a bit. Bigger drive a bit. Yes. And next, this is a small file, wood or metal files. Okay. This is that's all. Okay, so one. Be careful. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 tools, scissors. 7 in 1. Very useful scissors. Okay. Very small tools.